Hey guys, it's Joanie from SimpleLivingMama.com again, and yes, I am wearing the same clothes as you have seen in the last two videos. I actually had a little bit of time this afternoon to film some videos for you guys, so I decided to go ahead and use it. And today, in this video, we are going to be talking about thrift books. I'm going to show you guys the books that I got to go along with our ancient history study, so I'm really excited about that. If you don't know about thrift books, it's a website where you can purchase used books for really good prices. And most of the time, the books are really good quality. You know, they're not messed up. I have had one book that I would say I was disappointed in the quality, but everything else has been great. And if you spend over a certain amount, and I should have looked this up before I started this video, but if you spend over a certain amount, and it's not really a high amount, it's something like $15, $25, something like that, then you get free shipping. So I always spend over that amount when I put in a book order, so I always get free shipping. And now the books do arrive at different times because they're coming from different sellers, so you won't get all of your books in one big shipment, but it's so much fun to get the books and yeah, and not spend an arm and a leg. Now, you will have to be careful because you can't always find all of the books that you want. So sometimes, you know, if you really want to purchase some books and they're not on thrift books, then you do have to hop on over to Amazon, and I do have a list of books that I'm going to have to purchase from Amazon for this study. And I will show those to you after I get that done. But today I wanted to show you my thrift books haul. So let's get started. If you've seen my last video, then you know we are using My Father's World, Creation to the Greeks for history. And a lot of these books that I purchased are for the book basket for that unit, and also just for some read alouds. So I'm going to go through them. They're not in any specific order here, but they are what I got to go with them. So this is top 10 worst things about ancient Greece you wouldn't want to know. And this was recommended, I think, on the My Father's World, Creation to the Greeks Facebook page. So I think that'll be a fun book to have in the book basket. I got the Golden Goblet. I think this might actually be assigned further on down the line, maybe for high school or something like that. But in case I decide I want to read this one aloud with the kids, I went ahead and picked it up. And there was one book that I totally forgot to get that I was going to get at the Good and Beautiful convention, and that's Boy of the Pyramids. I forgot to get that book. But that is one that I'm going to be adding to my list, and I'll probably get that one from the Good and Beautiful library. Here is another one, Classic Myths to Read Aloud. This one, these are all from thrift books, like I said. So we're going to be diving into mythology. And then I have Life in the Great Ice Age. Another fun book for the book basket. And then top 10 worst things about ancient Egypt that you wouldn't want to know. This looks like another really, really fun one. I'm looking here on the back, and they also have one for Rome. So maybe next year we'll get that one if the kids seem to enjoy this. Then I have the DK Eyewitness Ancient Greece. And these are really good books too, just to look at and read little snippets of information. Okay, and then I have Hatshepsut. I'm not quite sure if that's how you pronounce her name, but it says His Majesty herself, an ancient Egyptian ruler. We will look up the pronunciation. It may even be in here. I see some pronunciation. I don't know. I don't see it right off. But before I try to read this to the kids, I'm going to make sure I'm saying it right. So, another fun book. Okay, and then I got a couple of read alouds for us, and Oh, I know why I'm looking for the other one. My daughter has already read it. I got Matilda for her. My kids love Roald Dahl. So I was looking for a book that she would be interested in reading. So I got Matilda, and it came in with this order. And she's already started reading that one, just as an independent read. But I do plan on reading the BFG aloud as a family read aloud. You know, we've loved Charlie and the Chocolate Factory and all of that. So that one's on the list. And then I also got All of a Kind Family. I heard some really good things about this one. And this one's pretty old, as you can see, but it's still readable, so it'll work out just fine. And that is it for my Thrift Books haul. Like I said, I will be putting in an Amazon order because I have a big, huge list of books. I'm pretty sure I got it off of the Facebook page. But a big, huge list of books that somebody had created to use with my father's world creation, the Greeks. And of course, we'll be adding read alouds for our science units, and I will try my best to make sure that I do blog posts and videos when we do all of our science units like I've done in the past, so you can see what books we're using for those as well. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you. We post about homeschooling and homemaking here, and we will talk to you later. Bye.